Hello friends, welcome to the career counseling web series of the Knowledge Formation channel. I Sheikh Mohammad Sabaudin is going to discuss today diploma in engineering or polytechnic engineering, and the 7 points about these are about eligibility criteria, pursuing institution, higher education, jobs, salary and useful links. So let's start all about diploma engineering. So, diploma engineering is all about 3 years AICTE, All India Council for Technical Education approved. It is diploma course in different disciplines of engineering and technology. It is also called polytechnics engineering. Now here 32 different types of diploma in engineering and technology courses are given: agricultural, architecture, automobile, chemical, civil, computer science and computer software technology, electrical engineering, electronics and instrumentation, electronics and telecommunication, electrical electronics engineering, electrical engineering, industrial control, electrical power system, food processing technology, footwear technology, geographic information system, global positioning system, instrumentation and control engineering, information technology, interior decoration, leather goods technology, mechanical engineering production, metallurgical engineering, mining engineering, mine surveying, medical laboratory technology, multimedia technology, packaging technology, photography, printing technology, renewable energy and survey engineering. Now what is the eligibility criteria for studying polytechnic engineering? There are two categories of exams for different eligibility criteria. The two exams are JEXPO and VOCLET. JEXPO for admission to first year, VOCLET for direct admission to second year. Now, who can sit for JEXPO exam? Those who have passed or appearing in class 10 standard from any recognized board, council, institute with at least 35% marks at the qualifying examination. And for voclet, they should pass or appear 10 plus 2 means class 12 exam. In case of West Bengal, it is from West Bengal State Council of Technical and Vocational Education and Skill Development. In case of other state, there may be their State Council of Technical and Vocational Education, or the student should pass 2 years ITI course at a stretch after Madhyamik or any class 10 equivalent exam. So at a stretch means there should not be any gap between Madhyamik and ITI. And those who are appearing for the exams, their admission is subject to submission of pass certificate and mark sheets. Now what for those students who have not no JEXPO rank? So without JEXPO rank also they can get admission in self financed polytechnics through management quota. For this information you need to visit colleges and inquire. There is no upper age limit both for JEXPO and VOCLET exam. Now what are the pursuing institutions where you can study polytechnic engineering or diploma engineering? There are government colleges, government sponsored colleges and private self-financed polytechnics. So you can visit these links to find the list of polytechnic colleges in India state-wise. For example, in West Bengal, the colleges are the Calcutta Technical School in Kolkata, Technic Polytechnic Institute in Hooghly, and many more are there. Note that all the disciplines are not available at all the institutions. You can visit website and check what disciplines the institutes are offering. Now what after doing diploma course? After diploma course, the students can pursue higher education like bachelor degree course in engineering, technology, pharmacy. For that they can get direct entry in the second year. by passing GLET exam they can get direct entry. Now in West Bengal Joint Entrance Examination Board also conducts GDAC. GDAC is all about 5 years in evening courses for bachelor's degree in Civil Electrical Mechanical Engineering in Jadavpur University. So in case of West Bengal, here it is GDAC examination. In other states we have to look for what exams they conduct or not. Now what about jobs? The diploma engineers can pursue job as technician, supervisor, junior engineer, assistant engineer, design engineer, security or supporting staff at airports, project managers, lab assistants, many more in private companies. And in government sectors also they can get job through exams and interviews. For competitive government exams like RRB Railway Recruitment Board Junior Engineer, RRB ALP Railway Recruitment Board Assistant Loco Pilot. The driver of train are called loco pilots and their assistant are called assistant loco pilot. So the diploma engineers can apply for assistant loco pilots. State level junior engineer exams, bank exams. For all these details, their application dates and their exam dates, the students need to follow Employment Weekly newspapers. Now the most important part, the salary portion. The approximate range of salary is from 8,000 to 20,000 per month for freshers depending upon private companies. So newcomers can get 8,000 to 20,000. And in government sectors, if they qualify exams and interviews, their salary is ranging from 18,000 to 30,000 per month. So these are the salaries for newcomers. Now for details on current year eligibility criteria, application fees, forms, exam dates and patterns of exam, visit the websites on technical education of different states. For example, link for West Bengal is given here. These are some useful links. You can search the current details of Polytechnic Engineering in these links given below. So thank you and subscribe for the next videos and click on the bell icons for new videos notification.